Hi, my name's Scott and we're from Hoslin Tiny House Company.
I'm Sarah, and along with my husband Scott and our two little boys, we've loved living in Port Macquarie. None of us are from here. I'm from Melbourne, Scott's from Northern Ireland, and we have two business partners as well, David and Sam, and we literally made a list and Port Macquarie won. And yeah, there was just so much going for it here that this is where we decided to put down roots.
Quite a clear winner as well when we wrote a pros and cons list. So I actually came from a coastal town, very like Port Macquarie, so a place like this feels a little bit like home, only much warmer. Hoslin means small house or cottage in German, and so we both have German heritage, but I think German means quality.
Part of it is that it means little house. It means, like, you know, a warm abode. The lights are on, you're welcome here, it's cute, it's inviting. Being located halfway between Brisbane and Sydney makes us accessible to a large population, I guess. It's not too far for people to come and see our tiny houses, and we're able to attend events that are in the bigger cities, but still be based here in beautiful Port Macquarie.
I think my family would like me to come back to Ireland, but like I say, the draw is so great in Port, and with the opportunities that are here with work and with family life as well, they want to see us do well.
And they love coming for holidays.
Absolutely, they love to visit.
I think we have a more active lifestyle, and at the same time it doesn't feel like a crazy life. Like, we feel that it's still a little bit of holiday mode here that you can tap into. There's just so much to do to unwind as well.
You could have and get what you need in a lot of different towns in Australia, but Port Macquarie is kind of the pick, really, and especially as a young family, I think, as well.
Port Macquarie is big enough to have all the opportunities that I'd want for us as a couple, for our kids, for business. It has everything we need to make life work, but it's small enough that it doesn't feel crowded or rat racy, and we can just escape to the beach within 10 minutes. It's incredible.